Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to save Word as read only. So to save as Word document as read only, open your file, click on file and click on save as. Navigate location where you want to save this file, like desktop, give any name. Now here click on tools and here is the option general options. Select this box read only recommended. There are some more options. You can encrypt with password to open this file, and also you can encrypt password for file sharing options. Then click on save it. Now close and try to open this Microsoft Word document. So as we can see this notice, the author would like you to open this as read only. Unless you need to make changes, open as read only. Click on yes. That's it. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel.